Hello! Welcome back sa ating channel mga Itachi Warrior. In today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa mga online lending na talaga naman nag-offer down ng 0% interest for first-time jutangera. Totoo ba Itachi Warrior? Sa mga nakasubok na at totoo ba itong 0% interest na sinasabi nila for the first-time borrower or jutangera? Sino ba Itachi ang tinutukoy ko? Oh, wait, sandali lang. Huwag ka muna mag-skip. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka muna. Click the notification bell para every time na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong mga video, kayong unang mananotify. And of course, huwag kakalimutan i-follow ang aking TikTok account and Facebook account kasi doon din tayo umaaura ng bonggang-bongga. Mahilig tayong mag-post sa Facebook, so just go to Team Marcos and sa ating TikTok account mga mima. Gaya ng palagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, kung jujutang man kayo, doon kayo sa mga legit na pautangan at hindi yung mga pa 7 days, 14 days na mga ola. Yung mga abusadong ola. Kiss nyo na yung mga abusadong ola. Kung kailangan mo talaga ng matatakbuhan, kailangan mo mag-research, 'di ba? Bago mo jutangan ang pautangan na gusto mong jutangan. Okay, kung legit man siya at hindi nang haharas, then go. At kung mababang interest mga charges, then go. Pasok na pasok ba sa BSP cap ng interest nila? Yung pinapatong niyang interest and service fees, then go. Iwasan ninyo ang mga abusadong ola na talagang kapag na-late kayo, kahit hindi pa nga late nang haharas na. Okay, hindi po yun makatarungan sa isang borrower. Know your rights and of course, maging responsableng jutangera. Alam niyo na ang mantra natin, being isang responsible jutangera. So ito na nga, let's all recite the panunumpa, being isang responsible jutangera. My name Akira, si Bilang Jutangera, jumujutang na naman sa isang legit na pajutangan. Pinapangako Akira na magbabayad ako on time at gagamitin kong Itachi Warrior 100 bells na majujutang ko sa good utang at hindi sa panlalaki lamang. So kayo na ang mag-continue ng panunumpa. Ang importante, responsable tayong isang jutangera at alam natin ang terms and conditions na kaakibat ng isang jutang, mga Itachi Warrior. Oh, eto na nga. Sino ba itang tinutukoy ko? Himay-himahin natin. Si Finbro. Yes! Meron na tayong video ni Finbro before. Hindi ko na matandaan kung ano pinagsasabi ko dun sa previous video natin na Finbro, but if you'd like to go back to that video and then go ahead and go to this link, o diba, antara. Ang alam ko, meron na akong account kay Finbro kasi nga nakapag-sign up na ako before pero hindi ko itinuloy yung pagjutang. Parang hindi ko siya in-accept. So, parang ganun. So ngayon, babalikan natin at titignan natin kung may update na naman dito sa 0% interest na sinasabi ng Kinemblar. Okay, so as you can see, 0% for your first loan. Okay, kagaya din to ni Cash Express na mayroon siyang first loan na 0%, mga ganun. So from 15,000 daw, Finbro got your back. Oh, taray, may ganun. So eto na nga, tignan natin. Okay, the lowest amount that you can make jutang is 1,000 up to 50,000 tita. 50,000. Okay, 50,000. And I did my own research, of course. Etong si Finbro, SEC registered siya. Meron din siyang CIC. Okay, accredited din siya as submitting entity. Okay, under siya ni Sophie Lending. Sophie Lending Inc. Yes, tama ako. Owned and operated by Sophie Lending Inc. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, kapag na-delay kayo at hindi kayo nakapagbayad on time, isasubmit ni Finbro ang inyong payment history sa CIC. So malamang bagsak yung dating ng credit score ninyo kapag meron kayong negative payment history o pag may ma-delay kayo. Kaya before kayo jumutang-jutang, you really need to know the terms and conditions. Do your own research kung itong pautangan ba na ito ay nagsasubmit sa CIC, Isasubmit niya ba ang payment history ko? Ganun. So, make your own research din para hindi kayo na i-scam or nami-mislead. Diba? Kasi may mga, alam nyo na, yung mga abusadong talagang mini-mislead kayo ng bonggang-bongga. But I'm not saying na I recommend this Finbro, ha. Never in my wildest dream na trinay ko si Finbro. Wala lang. Ayoko lang siya, hindi ko lang siya trip. Pero, nagbibigay tayo ng awareness. Hinihimay-himay natin ang kanyang interest, fees, and other charges. And of course, itong loan amount. And yung term niya, kung malawak pa or mahaba ba ang kanyang terms, ganon. So, i-check natin. Okay. So, as a new customer, let's say for example, dito sa inyo. So, tapos, jujutan ka ng 1,000. Let's say 1,000. Wait lang. Sample computation. Okay. 1,000. Okay. Loan amount, 1,000 ang nakalagay. So, next payment date mo is August 28, 2024. Today is July 29. Tapos, 28. 1 month. Okay. So, 1 month siya. 1 month yung term niya. Pero, wait lang. Loan tenure, 12 months? Bakit 12 months? Tapos, ang next payment date mo is August 28. So, i-stretch niya hanggang 12 months? Ganun ba? Every month mo babayaran? Ha? Ang haba, masyadong mahaba yun, 1,000, tita. Pero anyways, let's see. Kapag 20, let's say 10,000. Pag 10,000, same din, 12 months. Tas 1 month, siguro yung 1 month na to, yung next payment date na to, siguro ito yung payment frequency. But if you are a repeat customer, okay, so if you are a repeat customer, let's say 1,000, same din. Kailangan mo mag-login. So, magla-login tayo kasi may account ako. But, let's see. Okay, magla-login ako. Ilalagay ko yung email ko dito kasi may account na ako before. Nakapag-test tayo. Na-try natin itong si Finbro before. Okay, so ito yung account ko. Kakalagin ko. Tita, may offer akong 6,000. Up to 6,000 ang aking offer. Okay. So, 1,000 up to 6,000. So, 1,000. Kunwari, 1,000. Ang kanyang loan terms is pinakamababa 7 days. May chance ka pumili 7 days up to 30 days. Okay, so pag 30 days, kunwari 1,000 pesos. Next payment date mo August 28. Ang interest niya 60 pesos. Processing fee 90 pesos. Loan tenure is 12 months. Ano ba yung loan tenure? Ito ba yung i-stretch mo hanggang 12 months? Hindi ko maintindihan, promise. Kasi meron ka ng next payment date dito alam mo na nga 1 month yung term mo. Nandiyon 30 days, choose loan terms. Tapos may loan tenure pa. Ano to? Okay, total amount due is 1,150. So, ang principal 1,000. So, ang kailangan mong bayaran, lahat-lahat na is 1,150. So, ang patong doon, 150 pesos. Ang tanong, buo mo bang makukuha? Sa mga nakapag-try na, pa-comment and share naman kung buo nyo nakuha. I will check. Ito-try natin. Let's see. Apply now. Okay. Kapag in-apply ko na, lumaki. Lumaki yung babayaran ko. Tignan mo. Okay. Yung loan amount, 1,000 pa rin. Siyempre, hindi natin binago. Tapos, next payment date, same pa rin. 1 month. Interest niya is 60 pesos. Same pa rin. Processing fee, 90 pesos. Same pa rin. Tapos, meron siyang feature dito na Borrower's Advantage Package na 481 pesos, Mima. 480. Ang laki. Tapos, ang loan tenure, 12 months. So, ang total amount na babayaran ko, 1,631 pesos. Ang kabuuan ng patong, kaltas, 631 pesos. I'm not sure kung buo mong makukuha ang principal amount, ha? So, ito pala yung dahilan kaya hindi ako nakapag-loan before. I think so. This is the reason why. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-loan. Ito tinatawag nilang Borrower's Advantage package. So, naka-default na siyang naka-check na ganyan, Mima, oh. Kung hindi mo pinapansin yan, yung check na yan, yung checkbox na yan, naka-default na yan. Kung hindi mo napapansin yan, tapos continue ka lang ng continue, matcha-charge ka talaga ng 481 pesos. Siguro depende sa amount na ginudutang mo, i-charge nila. Pero ang sabi, let's say i-uncheck ko to, tatanggalin ko, ayun, bumalik sa 1,150. So iyon na nga, kapag naka-uncheck, kapag hindi mo pinili yung borrower's advantage package na sinasabi, if you are not choosing to proceed with loan warranty package, warranty package pa pala ite. Please upload required documents for manual review. Note, it could take up to 10 working days. Okay, so ito yung mga kailangan mong isubmit. Kung ayaw mo ng borrower's advantage package at talagang syempre malaki yung kaltas niyan, kailangan mo daw mag-submit ng documents for review, Mima. Like certificate of employment with compensation, breakdown and acknowledgement of continuous employment for the next 12 months, addressed to Sophie Lending Inc. and signed by your HR personnel. Napaka-hassle. Ang hassle niya, 'di ba? Na hihingi ka pa sa HR mo, sa employer mo ng eto nga po, pahingi po ng certificate of employment na may compensation na naka-address kay Sophie Lending Inc. Ganyan. So ang hirap-hirap minsan makakuha ng certificate of employment. May mga iba mabilis lang, ilang oras lang. Pero, are you going to take a risk? Diba? Are you going to take a risk and provide your employment details sa kanila? Meron ka nang binigay noon. Nag-sign up ka ng account sa Finbro. Are you going to take a risk just to waive the borrower's advantage package? Wala ka naman choice kapag clinic mo yan, matcha-charge ka na ng borrower's advantage package na tinatawag nila. So, mas mabilis nga talaga kapag chinek mo. Kapag may borrower's advantage package, babayaran mo nga lang. Hindi ba? At saka mas mapabilis siguro, hindi ba? Kapag chinek mo ito, kapag inaccept mo. Let's check the borrower's advantage package na sinasabi nila. Kung hindi ka nagbabasa ng mga ganitong feature ng isang pautangan, tapos continue ka lang ng continue, accept ka ng accept, tapos mamaya sabi mo, ang laki-laki ng chinarge sa akin ni ganitechi warrior. Hindi ka nagbasa ng terms and conditions Diba? In-accept mo lang, in-accept kasi kailangan mo ng kaperahan. So, you really need to think twice, many times kung tatanggapin mo ba ito? Hindi ba? Borrower's Advantage Package Terms and Conditions. So, eto siya. Basahin nyo to. Ang haba, tita, Ang haba-haba niya. Dear client, thank you for being a responsible borrower by choosing this value-added service. So, it's a value-added service na provided ni Finbro para mas mapabilis siguro yung approval process. Kasi kapag hindi mo pinili, kailangan mo mag-submit ng COE. Tapos it will take up to 10 working days pa. Ito, kapag may borrower's advantage package ka na, kapag binayaran mo yan, in-accept mo, included na yun sa babayaran mo, mas mapabilis yung approval process. It will only take, sabi kanina, 5 minutes ba? Or up to 15 minutes. It's a trick. Trick nila yan. Nila yan? Marketing nila. Okay, anyways, these terms and conditions shall be read and construed together with the terms and condition of the credit line agreement. The terms with the capital letter used herein shall have the same meaning as defined in the credit line agreement unless otherwise provided under these terms and conditions. So, Borrower's Advantage Package is an optional package offered to the borrowers that entitles with additional rights those borrowers who have voluntarily opted for this package. Okay? These are the following rights that provides this package daw. So, dito sa letter A nila, debt cancellation in case of borrower's death or penalty disability. Possibility to receive in-depth professional support and advice in case of financial difficulties. Priority automated credit scoring. Possibility to receive discounted payment plan offer in case of loan delinquency. Depending on the severity of situation, possibility to receive discounted payment plan offer in case of earthquake or flood in the borrower's area of residence as registered in the loan application. No penalty for non-payment or late payment within the first 15 days. 15 calendar days after next payment date as per credit line agreement section 5 and schedule 1. Possibility to receive and withdraw additional loan amount depending on borrower's risk profile and loan limit utilization. Available minimum payment for 7, 14, and 30 days on the next repayment date as per credit line agreement schedule 1. Subscription to finbro.ph raffle promos. Other rights and advantages, if any, which may be additional implemented or updated from time to time solely by and at the discretion of the lender. So, ang dami palang benefits na pwede nyo makuha dito sa Borrower's Advantage Package. Ganun pala siya. Okay, at least alam na natin, hindi ba, yung rights ng isang borrower kapag pinili mo ang isang feature nila na Borrower's Advantage Package. So, well, what can you say? Tama ba ito? Totoo ba to? Naranasan nyo na? Nung clinic yung Borrower's Advantage Package, 'di ba? Wala daw wala daw penalty for non-payment or late payment within the first 15 calendar days after next payment date. Oh, wala daw. Tapos, yung debt cancellation in case of borrower's death or penalty disability. So, ibig sabihin, mawawash out na. Makiklear na yung jutang mo kapag nategi ka. Kapag nategi yung jumutang. Tapos, possibility to receive in-depth professional support and advice in case of financial difficulties. May pagganon sila. Tapos, priority automated credit scoring. May pa-credit scoring din sila? Talaga? Uy, sa lahat ng mga nakapag-try dito sa Finbro, tapos na-include nyo yung Borrower's Package Advantage. Borrower's Advantage Package. Pa-comment naman, pa-share naman para magkaroon din kami ng idea. Ang gara, no? Ang dami niyang benefits pala. Okay, i-check nyo mabuti yan, ha. Tapos, syempre may fee. Yun yung fee. So, kailangan yung bayaran nyo. Included yun sa outstanding. Okay, so sabi, Borrower's Advantage Package fee is a fee that is paid by the borrower to enable the package and the additional rights provided therein. The fee shall be indicated during the loan application process and reflected in the invoice. Okay. So, may cancellation siya dito, nasa baba. Failure to comply with any other requirements may lead to the cancellation of the Borrower's Advantage Package. Okay. So, ayun siya. So, basahin nyo mabuti yan para alam nyo yung pinapasok ninyo. So, anyways, balik tayo dito. So, kapag napili ko na yung Borrower's Advantage Package, so, ang babayaran ko, 160 o 1,631. Paano kapag jumutang ako ng 6,000, sinagad ko? Ang taas na! 360 pesos yung interest. Processing fee is 540. Borrower's Advantage Package, 2,499. Total amount, 9,399. Ang principal ko is 6,000 lang. Magkano ang kaltas? No. Kakaloka, diba? 6,000. Hindi. Ang kaltas niya total is 3,399. No. Taas pa rin. Kaya pag-isipan nyo mabuti kung kukunin nyo, mga mima. Diba? Kasi kung may pera ka, may aasahan kang pambayad, then go. Mahaba naman pala siya, 30 days. Diba? May isang buwan ka pa palang pwedeng bayaran to. Tapos, if you select this option, this Borrower's Advantage Package, this option, select this option and increase chance to get a loan by 50%. 50% chance na ma-approve ka kapag kinuha mo tong Borrower's Advantage Package. Wala ka nang kahasel-hasel. Hintay mo na lang approval mo. Yun nga lang, mas malaki ang babayaran mo. Okay, i-check natin tong FAQ nila. How much is the interest rate and processing fee? You will be informed about the rates and fees during the loan application process before confirming the loan agreement. In fairness, di ba sinasabi na niya doon yung breakdown before mo pa i-confirm. That's good. Okay ako doon kay Finbro. Okay? At least nakalatag na lahat doon before mo i-confirm kung magkano yung babayaran, fees, processing fee, o di ba? Nandun na. Tapos, what are the payment options with Finbro? Meron siyang full loan repayment at saka minimum payment. May minimum payment din. So, pag minimum payment dito, in case you cannot pay your full repayment yet, Finbro offers an option to make minimum payment which will prolong your next payment date for 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. Details can be found by logging into your Finbro account. Anyways, it's up to you. If you guys wanting to get a loan with Finbro, pag-isipan nyo mabuti kung kailangan nyo ba talaga at kung para saan ba talaga. Kung may mga other options ka pa naman na pwede mong jutangan, like yung mga ibang e-wallet or ibang mga legit na online lending pautangan, then consider those then. Anuhin nyo, i-compare nyo yung services, yung processing fee, yung mga kaltas na nakaakibat or kadugtong dun sa outstanding balance ninyo. So, those are the things that you have to consider. Basta ang importante, be a responsible jutangera. Okay, para hindi maapektuhan, masira ang credit score ninyo mga mima sa CIC. Kasi itong si Finbro, like I said kanina, nagsasubmit po siya ng payment history sa CIC. Okay? Yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. I hope you learned something sa ating paghimay-himay ng Finbro. And again, be a responsible jutangera. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell para every time na magkakaroon tayong ganitong video, kayong unang matatalsikan. Charis! Pa-follow na rin ang aking social media account, Facebook and TikTok. Maraming salamat mga Itechiwa. And hi! Thank you! Nakakaloka, grabe no? May borrower's advantage package. Yes, napakadaming benefits na pwede mo makuha sa borrower's advantage package, Mima. Pero is it worth it? Is it worth it? Ha? Kung alam mong may pambayad ka din, go. Di ba? Ipurso mo na. Ipurso mo pagjutang, di ba? Hindi. Nakakaloka.